the price of Terra Luna fell by almost 99% overnight, erasing almost 95% of the investors' wealth. Over $40 billion of value was lost. Is there still hope for recovery? Hi, welcome to TradeDog, the go-to YouTube channel for unbiased crypto research and project reviews. We are a team of traders and researchers with rich experience in investing in global markets across various asset classes. So today we are going to discuss why did Luna crash, and will Luna be able to recover? The coin's value tumbled from around $80 to less than 1 cent over just a couple of days. This crash was strategically planned and executed by the attacker. The story goes back to late March when the Luna Foundation Guard accumulated BTC to back UST. LFG started accumulating BTC on March 22nd, and by March 26th had a $1 billion plus BTC in its treasury. In the meantime, the attacker had borrowed 100,000 BTC worth $4.2 billion and created a short position, which is speculated to have been sold for Quan's purchase. LFG purchased 15,000 BTC between March 27th and April 11th, the average price being $42,000 for this period. In the meantime, the attacker had accumulated an OTC position of UST worth $1 billion. The attacker swapped $285 million worth of UST for USDT on Anchor Protocol and $85 million of UST to USDT on Curve Protocol, sucking out the liquidity from the markets and depegged the UST. The depegging of UST led LFG to sell their BTC reserves to maintain the peg. At this time, the attacker started shorting his $1 billion UST position on Binance. Eventually, the chain got congested, and the exchange suspended the withdrawals of UST. This fueled the FUD in the market, leading UST to depeg to 40 cents and bleeding out BTC. The most frequently asked question is, can Terra Luna price ever recover and come back on track? The coin has the potential to recover, but at present things are extremely uncertain. Do Kwon, founder of Terra creator Terraform Labs, tweeted on Tuesday, close to announcing a recovery plan for UST. Hang tight. The incident of Terra's UST depegging was a never-seen incident in the entire crypto space, wherein the stability of the algorithmic stablecoin was heavily questioned and criticized. Due to the withdrawal congestion on the network, TERRA Blockchain got halted for some hours, but later got resumed. But as a light of hope, the development team of Terra has come out with a recovery plan anticipated to bring some recovery to the damage done. In a nutshell, the crypto market is extremely unpredictable. Investors in crypto whales are now dumping their crypto tokens and are opting for more traditional and centralized assets. And last, our small piece of advice: do conduct your own research and reach out to financial advisors before making any investment decisions. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest crypto updates.